In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, hit Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!